2018 Ford F350 Platinum, and I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter. You might want to get a 30 seconds. Now let's get to work. Okay, so what you have to do first, you have to open these two. Then you be very careful and try not to break it and pull this off right here. Then just set that aside. Then you're going to use your 30 seconds to untighten these bolts. And you might want to hold on to these because we're going to need it to put it back together. Now since you got those off, now you can be very gentle and pull this off. And just put that like that for now. Then what you have to do, this right here, inside here, there's two circles, one smaller to put it in. You just pull it down until it go to the big one and then pull it out. Then what you want to do is take this piece off, which there's this tiny process there like that. And then now you can take this out, and then you can, there's like inside here, there are little clips like this that hold on to it. Then there's the cabin filter, and you just saved yourself $100 by doing it yourself. So now what you want to do is change it, then put it back in. Last, all you have to do is reverse the steps and hit that like button and subscribe to our video.